Vrushika will join us shortly, I think in a minute or two. Uh, and then we are going to have a fun chat with her. I hope the internet doesn't give up on me. But yeah, waiting for Vrushika's request. So, Vrushika, if you are around, please, if you can send me a request again, I will add you. I'm not sure पहले वाले live को क्या हो गया, but some technical glitch, I suppose.
Finally, yeah.
हाँ, I
Huh.
think there was some internet issue,
Yeah.
probably. Okay, but welcome to the live, Rushika. And first up,
Thank
how
you.
are you? And how have you been like in this lockdown situation, घर पे?
I am fine, thoda sa bored, but I'm learning, some new stuff. Like I learned how to make goal roti because pehle I used to make square and pata nahi kya kya, but finally I've learned to make goal roti. And yeah, I'm just working out and listening to old songs, मतलब जो music albums होते थे. I'm watching
Right,
Friends, all over again, and yeah, just chilling.
right. Is there something like एकदम totally new that you've tried to inculcate any sort of hobby or something?
Nothing as such, but I have started, painting stuff again. So that is the thing that I'm doing new. Matlab I'm doing after years. So yeah.
Right. How is that turning out? And do you still like have a hand on it?
Yeah, I'm just trying to catch up, and
Right.
I'll post a picture soon on my Instagram, definitely.
There is Vrushika underscore Khoobsurat Mehta asking, name a song or a movie that describes your life, like a theme song for your movie or life.
Name a movie or song. I think the
Yeah,
Friends theme song is kind of, it connects to everyone. So right now I'm
right.
totally connected to it. So yeah.
There is Chetu Shan Swaran asking D3's most memorable prank.
There are so many pranks. I remember we had gone for the Manohar trip, and so I was sharing my room with Sneha Gupta, who was playing Ashi,
Right.
and
हाँ.
they pranked on her like कि भूत है here and there, and she was like very scared. So first they had decided to prank on me, but then they thought कि I'll just fall sick or something like that. So
Right.
मुझे वो लोग ने बख्श दिया. But there are so many pranks that because we were all same age, so बहुत ज़्यादा fun होता था set पे भी and off camera, on camera both. So yeah, बहुत सारे pranks हैं. So this
But
was one
was
of them.
that
जब
plan then
Manoj,
successful and did Sneha like,
yeah,
uh,
yeah, like she called up her family also, and then she just wanted to leave. Yeah.
oh God. There is Vrushika Khoobsurat again, and she's asking if you had to learn a new dance form, what would you
Okay.
learn? Which dance form would you learn?
I would want to learn salsa. I've done in D3 thoda thoda, but would want to
Right.
learn properly. Yeah.
There are a bunch of your Indonesian fans who are also messaging on the live. What would you like to tell them?
I would just want to tell them just stay home, stay safe. And right now our show is, being aired on Indonesia. So,
Yeah,
we're getting
that's
so
why I
much
think there are
love.
too many messages from there.
Yeah, we're getting so much love, and we didn't expect कि इतना ज़्यादा प्यार मिलेगा आप सबसे, and just want to say a big thank you from the entire team of ये तेरी गलियां.
There is Avishika underscore destined asking if you were to work as Avishika again for a web show
Okay.
or a new show, would you do it?
Yes, definitely. In a new avatar, Avinash and Rishika in a new avatar, we would definitely try to do
Right.
something new. And I think एक web show होना चाहिए, which has to be a cute romantic story or something suspense, something like that.
Right. There were a lot of your fans also asking some BTS memories from your music video shoot.
I think Avinash might have a lot of videos in his phone,
Right.
and a lot of people from the band as well. So बहुत सारे memories थे. We just shot the entire video in a day. So that was very hectic. Plus, it was amazing, a good experience, and we all just teamed up and we just got the final product ready, and yeah.
There is Ye Teri Galiyan underscore paradise asking, what about Nazar Mila next part?
Next part, तो definitely, Saket, the singer of the song, was definitely planning for a next part. So I think वही बता पाएंगे कि next part आएगा या नहीं आएगा.
There is she is also asking your best memory from the shoot of Ye Teri Galiyan.
A lot of memories. I think I still remember my mock shoot. I wasn't prepared for it because but for me the most difficult part was कि पूरा script हमें हिंदी में लिख के मिलता था, not in English. So I used to wake up early in the morning and I used to like translate it to English, and then I used to learn the dialogues and go on set. So during my mock shoot also I was very nervous, and Avinash had already done mock shoot with a lot of other people also. So he was like very chilled out, and I
Right.
was like, yeah, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डरी हुई हूँ. And I still remember कि mock shoot के दिन पे I was so much into the field that I just hit him ऐसे on his chest. So and he was like, okay, ये इतना ज़्यादा ऐसे क्यों ये हो रही है? So a lot of memories here and there, but all the dance sequences that I've done on the show,
Right.
yeah, those are amazing.
There is M Shruti 008 asking, what's the biggest change that's come in you as a person after working for so many years in the industry?
Okay. थोड़ा सा I've become matured. Before I didn't know what I was doing in life, and like I was just from college and I just gave audition for D3 and I just got selected. I didn't know what was happening. सब कुछ इतना जल्दी जल्दी मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. And I never planned on becoming an actor, or didn't want to do something like this. I always wanted to do which was
Right.
connected to dance, and it just happened. So I just feel that right now I'm just handling situations not in a very good manner, but thoda sa improvement hai in terms of
पहले से.
maturity.
There is Hardik.3 asking, have you learned dancing professionally? Like, did you take any classes or you are self-taught?
So I had done a Shamak workshop. So I was a huge fan of Shamak because I used to see IFA awards and all, and then you see all the background dancers and all sub Shamak ke. So I was a big fan of Shamak. I used to collect his pictures also, and I attended his
Wow.
workshop also called Summer Funk. And here and there, then
Right.
I did a reality show. So from there, I got to learn. And then D3 mein, uh, like
Of course.
choreographers like Shantanu, Nasi, Nimit sir, a lot of them. So I just learned yahan wahan se. Yeah.
There was somebody asking which has been your favorite Swaran performance from D3, like a best dance memory.
Dance, I still remember my first performance, Yade. Uh, like that was my first solo and a duet performance with Swayam, and that
हाँ.
still, whenever I watch it, I see कि अरे यार, मतलब what memories, and first experience to be shot, your dance is being shot over there, बड़े बड़े fans लगे हैं, हवाएं
Right.
चल रही है, romance हो रहा है. तो पहले तो मुझे समझ में कि क्या हो रहा है, but amazing experience. I think अलविदा था, अलविदा. Then which is that song? I just forgot the song, but I remember. मतलब I still remember the flashes on
There
terrace
were
पे.
so many of your like
There were so many,
duets
exactly.
performances,
Yeah,
right?
so terrace पे full night sequence था, and then we were shooting. I think Chokra Chaware, we were like getting wet in the
हाँ.
rain and dancing. There's so many memories.
There is Bhaktawar Sajjad asking, your photography skills are the best, and how do you keep your Instagram feed so on point?
So I think we all are like, we can't go out and click pictures. So this is
Hmm.
what I do. I just select a spot मेरे घर पे and then I just try to experiment something and I click 100 pictures. उसके बाद I get 45 pictures. So that is the case with all the girls. So yeah, but I'm just trying. I don't know what else I can do at home, but you need to keep updating and you need to keep doing something new.